Hi, today I show you how to make this kind of landscape website. This is so attractive and modern landscape website. You can design it just 15 minutes for your landscape business. First of all, we need some plugin. We go plugin and add new plugin, and we add our first plugin is Elementor. Search here. This is Elementor free version. So activate. We cannot create any account, so close it. Then we add our another plugin, go plugin and add new plugin. We add our Elementor Pro plugin. This is paid version. I give this link, you can download easily. So we add our Elementor Pro version. Install now. Added plugin. Then we add our another plugin. It's inverter elements. This is free plugin. Install now and active. Now we add our premium template, go elements and install kit and click here. This is our premium kit. You can download this kit on this link. Now click install requirements plugin and install now. Then close it. Now we add our page. Click page, then add new page. Open a new tab. First of all, we add our home page. Publish it. Then we add our another page, add new page, and we add our about page. Publish here and go back, add new page. We add our service page. Publish and go back. We add another page, our contact page. Add our contact page. Then go back. Lastly, we add our blog page. Publish here and go back. Then we add our theme. This is free theme. This is Elementor theme. We activate and our theme is ready. And then we go our appearance to menu. We create a menu, add menu name. My menu name is main menu. Create menu and add our all page. And this is our home page, then about page, contact page, service page, and we miss our blog page. And here is our blog page. We add our contact page here and save menu. Then we go our pages. and click all pages. Open a new tab. Here is our home page. We edit our home page. Edit, edit a new tab and edit with Elementor. Now we skip this and click page layout and change page layout Elementor with canvas. Now we add our header. Click here and go template and upload your JSON file. This is our header JSON file and click continue. Then inside you can download this JSON file, this drive link. So we import our header. Then we add our home page. Click here and go our home page. This is our home page. Inside, so our home page is complete. Here is info properly our home page. Then we lastly add our footer. Click here. This is our footer. And you can edit every part easily. You can change your social media icon, social media link you can put here. You can edit testimonial area and every part you can change your image, text. Full website are editable. Then we publish. Our home page is complete. Now we add our about us page. Our home page is complete and we go out pages, all page, and we edit our about us page. Edit a new tab. Edit with Elementor. Then change page layout. Elementor with canvas. Similarly, we inside our template, header template. This is header 1. Then we add our about us page. So we input properly our about us page. Here is a form. Then we add our footer. Click here and inside our footer. So we complete our about us page also. This is our footer. This is our about us page. You can change any or text or according your business. Also you can change image. So we publish our about us page. Now we edit our contact page. Edit with Elementor. Then change page layout. Insert our header. Go template. This is our header. Then we add our contact page. Here is our contact page. This is contact from. Then we insert our footer. This is our footer. Our contact page are complete. You can change anything. You can also put your location and connect your email. You also connect your email when people fill up the form, and you can connect your mail here. You can connect your mail this here. So when if people fill the form and send a message, you can find message your email, then publish it. So we complete our contact page. Now we add our service page. Edit with Elementor. Similarly, change page layout. then input header, then add our service page. Here is our service page. Last we add our footer. Here is our footer and complete. Now if you want to see your full design, click here visit site. You cannot see your design because we miss one important setting. We go our settings and go reading, setting and go reading, and here is we connect our home page, then save changes. Now you visit your website and here is your website is properly